Hi guys, Chef Grégoire here from Ossiano Atantis The Palm in Dubai. Welcome to WBP Star. Today we're gonna do our signature oyster. So it's a Gilardo oyster, number 3, that we will open. We're gonna mix it with a little bit of yuzu gel, shallots and chives, and we will top it on the top with a seaweed, homemade seaweed water that we turn into foam to represent the foam into the ocean. Right? So we'll start with our oyster that we will open. All right, clean it. Alright, so we will clean the shell. And we'll take the shell again, sorry. And take the oyster, very clean, and put it back into it. Then we'll take a little bit of yuzu gel and drizzle on the top. A little bit of yuzu pearl for the acidity, chives, and shallots. All right. Here we have our seawater that has been made with seaweed, lemon, and marinated during 3 days. Okay, and we whipped it with a little bit of fish gelatin. So you can see it's very fluffy. It's like a cloud. All right. So we'll take this seawater and just top it on the top. A bit more. And with the finger, we just come around and clean it. So here we go. Alright? So this will go into the fridge for 1 hour. It will set the foam a little bit on the top. And give something a bit more hard and shiny. To finish it, we have dry caviar. So it's a caviar that has been dried and compressed, and we will come and shave it on the top. It will give the salt that is needed to the dish. And then put our oyster on the top. Meanwhile, we just take our caviar, special selection. So it's a Kaluga. Beautiful. And put approximately 4 grams on it. So these caviar have the particularity to be quite big, sometimes golden, sometimes black. So our oyster is ready, topped with a beautiful caviar selection. oyster signature, seaweed and caviar.